Welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a private number or how to call someone with a private number. So what do you really understand by a private number? Okay, there are times you like to call someone with a number that you don't want them to call back or you don't want them to view your caller ID. Okay, for instance, you can take your mom's phone and you call a friend. When you're done talking with a friend, you don't want the friend to call back with using that same number. There are too many methods to do that, so I'm going to show you those. I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, but before we get started, please, if it's your first time of watching my videos, go ahead to subscribe and click the notification button for more.
So the first thing you need to do is you go to your die call. Let me enter the die call so you want see one thing. You go to your die call. Once you've entered your die call, you die this code hash 3 1 hash. This is what hides the makes your number private. So once you put this code and you call the number, it's going to show a private number. Okay, so let me call it. Let me put the number to show how this really works. So let me put my number 677952937. So I call. Guys, so you can see it's showing a private number. It's showing a private number, so you can really see how this really works. So this is one of the easiest methods you can do that. So you can see that's the number I called. It's showing private number. So this is I was talking about two methods. So let me show you now the second method. Contact in a particular SIM be private, meaning all the contacts in that particular SIM will be private. So the first thing again you need to do is you go to your die call. Once you enter your die call, the top corner of the top corner of your screen, there are some 3 dots there. You touch it. They'll tell you call history. You just go down straight to settings. Once you another pop-up menu has appeared. You touch this calling accounts. Once you touch the calling account, they'll ask you now which of the SIM do you want to make it unknown number. So now the first thing you need to do, the only thing you need to do is to touch the SIM in which you want to make. So me, I want to make SIM 1. So another pop-up menu has appeared again. You touch now here you've the last option down here. They're talking about additional settings. So you touch the additional settings. So now you just come now. They say caller ID and call waiting. So you touch the caller ID. Here they'll tell you network default, hide number, and show number. You just touch this hide number. Once you touch the hide number, now it is hidden. Your number is hidden now. You cannot call. When you call now, you show unknown number. So let me just go straight and show you how this really works. How here in this one, I'm not putting any code. All the numbers I have will be on that particular SIM will be private. So I just need to go on and call the number. So let me call for this number. Let me call another number so you see how this works. So let me dial the number. So it's 678344212. Here I'm not going to put any code. You can see I'm not putting any code, but I'll just call. It will indicate private number. I'm calling. As you can see, it's showing private unknown number. You're seeing unknown number. So you can see for this one now, you can, it's when you want to make like all of your contacts be private. All of your contacts be private. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks very much. At now you can now make private number in 1 to very much. Thanks for watching. Please do wait to subscribe once more.